So after getting an iPhone, the very first question people have is how long is the battery going to last in the coming future? So my take on battery health is basically on how you use your phone and what are your charging cycles. So in this video I'm going to be telling you a couple of tricks through which you can basically preserve your battery health. So if you don't know what battery health is, if you want to find out what your battery health is on your phone, you have to go to settings first, scroll down until you see battery, and then go to battery health. So this is the iPhone 12 that I have right now. As you can see, this is the iPhone 12. So it is a fairly new device, so the battery health is 100% right now, but this battery health might go down. It may be quick for some people, it may slow down for some people, but it does get down. So on my iPhone 10R, which I've been using for more than a year now, the battery health is 93% on it. So it's pretty good. So the battery health is expected to go down 1% every 3 to 4 months. So that is normal, so don't need to worry about that. But on my iPhone 10R, it went from 100% to 99% in 6 months. Yes. So I'll be telling you how you guys can also preserve your battery in the coming future. So number one is wireless charging. So wireless charging plays a major role in degrading your battery life. So let's say you have a wireless charger. So this is a wireless charger. As you can see, it says fast charge, and this is a wireless charger that I've been using with my iPhone 10R for a couple of months now. So what most of the people do is they put their phone on the charger with a case on. So first things first is don't do that at all. What it'll do is when you have a case on, the heat will trap inside the case itself, which in turn will make your phone hot. Because of this, the battery health will degrade in the future. So for me, I've noticed with my 10R is it started degrading a lot after I started using the wireless charger with a case on. So if you don't put a case on your phone, so I have a speaking case, but if you don't have a case on your phone and if you use your phone naked, no need to worry about it. You just put your phone naked on a wireless charger and you're good to go. But if you have a case on, make sure you take your case off first and then put it on charge on the wireless charger itself. So this is the wireless charger that I own. I'll be putting a link in the description down below. This is a fast charger. With the normal wireless charger, it charges around 5 watts, but this is a fast charger, so it charges around 7.5 watts. So it's a pretty good wireless charger. So that was the first thing, is do not ever put your phone with a case on a wireless charger. That was the first thing. Second thing is make sure you have a charge pattern. So for me, I also keep a pattern. I charge my phone every day from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. at the night. So even if you see, it says the last charge to 100% was 12 a.m. So I took the phone off of the charger around 12 a.m. in the night. So I put it on the charge from 10 to 12 a.m. 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. and I take it off the charger at 12 a.m. and then I basically use it once I get up. So I don't use it overnight. I don't put it on charge overnight. So a couple of people also have questions if they should put their phone on charge overnight. If you're putting your phone on charge overnight, make sure that you have the small 5 watt adapter and not the 20 watt. So let's say if you have this 20 watt iPhone charger, so it will charge your phone really quick within like 1.5 hours and so. So after that, it's just wasting energy and it's just making your phone warmer. So what I'll recommend you guys to do is get the 5 watt smaller Apple charger that you get with the iPhone 11 or previous iPhones, and then put it on charge. What it'll do is it'll charge your phone slower at a slower pace, and also make sure that your phone doesn't get warmer. So that is the second thing, is make sure you have a good and proper charging pattern. So charge once a day. Do not like keep plugging it in, plug it out and stuff like that. So charge it once a day. Make sure that you charge the same time every day. So what they'll do is it'll basically make your battery or make your phone software aware that this person is going to charge at this particular time, and it will basically optimize your battery to that time itself. So even if I go to the last 7 days, every day I take it off of the charger at 12 a.m. at the night. So that is me, and I basically am following this particular procedure for like years now. Third thing is make sure that you don't have your phone on a pillow or on any soft material. Make sure you charge it on a hard surface like this. So it might be a desk, it might be a wall or something like that, I don't know, but make sure that you don't keep your phone on charge on a soft surface. So I've seen a lot of people keeping their phones on their beds while charging. So what it'll do is, again, it will heat up your phone, which in turn will damage your battery. So you don't want to do that. You don't want your phone to get warm, because the warmer the phone, the less the battery percent. So if you have, like you must have noticed, is while playing games your phone gets warmer, because of which the battery drains a lot. So that's another thing, is make sure that you don't, like, make sure that your phone doesn't get warmer while you charge. So make sure that you just, keep it on a hard surface like a desk or something like that, or even on your floor if you want, but make sure that it is a hard surface and not a soft surface. Then the last thing is specific to iPhone 12 users. So for me, I've been seeing a lot of overnight drain for me. On my iPhone 10R, it used to drop like 1% or 2%, not more than that. But on my iPhone 12, it drops to like 97% or 96%. So it is an iPhone 12 bug, if I'm not wrong. Like I even read a post on Reddit regarding this. So what you have to do is just turn off Siri or turn off Hey Siri, reboot your phone and then turn it on. So that will basically reset Siri for some reason. And I think it works, because a lot of people did try it on Reddit and they did mention that it worked for them. Additionally, if you're seeing overnight drain, make sure that you check what app is draining your battery. For example, WhatsApp is draining your battery. Make sure that you turn off the background activity. So to do that, what you have to do is go into WhatsApp. There we go, into WhatsApp. Then you will see the background app refresh. Make sure you turn it off. So what that will do is basically not let WhatsApp eat your battery or eat up your battery overnight, or like basically when your phone is off, it won't eat up your battery, and then you'll get less number of overnight drain on your iPhone 12. So yeah, that is pretty much it. This is my iPhone 12, as you can see, and I have been enjoying this phone a lot. My battery lasts me for an entire day. So I'll just quickly show you the battery, and 24 hours. It is what it is like. Let's see, what time is it? It is 5:24 p.m. and I still have around 52% of battery left in my tank. So even if you see last 7 days, the battery life has been pretty great for me, and I've got no complaints regarding the battery life itself. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Those were all the tips and tricks for you to maintain your battery health to 100%. If you like this video for whatsoever reason, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, more tips and tricks will be coming soon in the future, so make sure you subscribe for that. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.